So here's how easy it is to build a job description through ChatGPT. I'm going to give it a specific role that I want it to play, and that is the role of a human resources director. I find that giving ChatGPT a specific role and a task can be very helpful to produce great results. The one thing I also say too is when it comes to ChatGPT, think of this as a first draft, right? And so don't expect perfection the first time you do it, right? It's okay if we have to edit. It's okay if we have to go back in and add some more things, or we want to have it structured a different way, or we want certain verbiage in there, or we want to take some verbiage out, right? We can do that and through the prompts again too, and have ChatGPT edit the document for us and do that, right? It's the key part is this is supposed to speed up the work. It's supposed to increase our productivity with this. It's not necessarily supposed to replace and be a complete solution all the time, right? But I think you'll see is that we'll be able to build this really quickly, and we'll have a great first draft. So I'm also adding in too what I want it to prioritize, and that's prioritizing accountability and fiscal responsibility. Now, what's going to happen here too is it's going to build the job description out. Another thing you can do too as you're building the job description in the prompt is if you have a certain template you want to see, you can have ChatGPT do that. You can copy and paste your existing job description, anyone you want, and say, okay, match this template. So that's really helpful if you want it done a certain way. If you have different sections you want to see in there, ChatGPT will do that for you too in any new job description you build. So let's scroll back up to the top here and see kind of what ChatGPT did. And as you'll see here, it's going to say, yep, City of Bangor, Maine, Budget Analyst. And one thing it did too is it inferred that the department is the finance department. We didn't say anything about that in the prompt, but it inferred that, and that's pretty accurate in terms of where most budget analysts would, that position would lie within the city organization. So it's going to lay out its responsibilities, budget development. It's going to talk about financial analysis, reporting. Right? It's going to lay out the different things that are relevant to this job description. This is a phenomenal first draft. Obviously, we could tweak it if we wanted to. If you want to add something else in there, according to a city priority, maybe it focuses on a certain. Maybe this budget analyst only focuses on a certain department or a certain section of departments. We could put that in there. Gives me my qualifications, proven experience in budgeting, financial analysis, or related areas. Really helpful. But as you can see, this is a great first draft. And we can work from here and build something else too if we want.